Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your stuck Bowflex SelectTech dumbbells in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Safety is key. Ensure your dumbbells are secure to avoid accidents. First, make sure your dumbbells are placed on a flat, stable surface. Next, check the dials and weight plates. Look for dirt, misalignment, or anything blocking the mechanism. Unscrew the handle and separate the components. Be sure to keep the pieces organized so it's easier to reassemble. Inspect the inside of the handle and the dials. If there's dirt or debris, clean it thoroughly with a cloth or compressed air. Inspect the weight plates. Carefully align the components, ensuring the dials and plates fit correctly. Tighten the screws, but don't overdo it. Place the dumbbell back in its base and test the dials. Rotate them smoothly and adjust the weight. If everything works, you're good to go. To prevent future issues, clean your dumbbells regularly and avoid forcing the dials. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.